Did you know that beneath the surface of the soil, a whole world of tiny creatures is working tirelessly to help your plants grow? These creatures, known as soil microorganisms, play an essential role in maintaining soil health and ensuring the growth of healthy crops. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of soil microorganisms, understand their functions, and see how they're silently helping us every day. Soil microorganisms include a vast variety of organisms such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and even tiny earthworms. These microorganisms are so small that they are invisible to the naked eye, but their role in the soil ecosystem is absolutely crucial. They live in the soil, where they interact with the soil particles, water, air, and organic matter. These microorganisms break down organic matter, like dead plants, animals, and waste, turning them into valuable nutrients for plants. They help form humus, which improves soil structure, increases nutrient holding capacity, and helps soil retain moisture. Let's explore the main types of soil microorganisms and the important roles they play. 1. Bacteria. Bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms in soil. Some of them are nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which live on the roots of plants like legumes and convert nitrogen from the air into a form that plants can use. Other bacteria break down organic material, releasing essential nutrients back into the soil. 2. Fungi. Fungi play an essential role in decomposing organic matter. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, helping plants absorb water and nutrients like phosphorus, while the fungi get carbohydrates from the plant. This relationship boosts plant growth and improves soil fertility. 3. Protozoa. Protozoa are tiny single-celled organisms that feed on bacteria and other microorganisms. By controlling bacterial populations, protozoa help maintain a balanced microbial community in the soil. 4. Earthworms. While not technically microorganisms, earthworms are crucial soil helpers. They aerate the soil by creating tunnels, improving water infiltration, and helping organic material mix with the soil. Their digestive process also releases nutrients that plants can absorb. So, how exactly do these microorganisms benefit plants and the soil ecosystem? Let's look at some of their key roles. 1. Nutrient cycling. Soil microorganisms break down organic matter, releasing nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for plant growth. Without them, plants wouldn't have access to these nutrients, and the soil would lose its fertility over time. 2. Soil structure improvement. Microorganisms also improve soil structure. By decomposing organic material, they help form humus, which binds soil particles together, improving soil structure, increasing its water-holding capacity, and reducing erosion. Disease suppression. Certain soil microorganisms protect plants from harmful pathogens by outcompeting them for space and nutrients. This natural disease suppression helps reduce the need for chemical pesticides. 4. Improved water retention. Healthy soil with active microorganisms retains more moisture, helping plants survive during dry spells. The presence of fungi and bacteria creates a sponge-like effect, increasing the soil's ability to hold water. Let's take a look at the story of Vikram Singh, a farmer in Rajasthan, India. Vikram had been facing issues with declining soil fertility and reduced crop yields on his 5-acre farm. He decided to shift to organic farming practices, focusing on improving soil health by promoting the growth of beneficial microorganisms. He started by adding compost, vermicompost, and organic mulches to his soil. He also stopped using synthetic chemicals and instead relied on biofertilizers to promote beneficial bacteria and fungi. Within a few months, his soil started to improve. Water retention increased, his plants became healthier, and his crop yield improved by nearly 30% in the next season. Now, let's talk about how you can promote healthy microorganisms in your soil and boost your plant growth. 1. Add organic matter. Adding organic matter like compost, manure, or cover crops provides food for soil microorganisms, helping them thrive and multiply. 2. Avoid chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Avoid using chemical fertilizers and pesticides as they can harm beneficial microorganisms. Instead, use biofertilizers and natural pesticides to keep the soil healthy. 3. Practice crop rotation. Practice crop rotation to provide a variety of organic material for microorganisms, preventing the depletion of certain nutrients and improving soil biodiversity. 4. Maintain moisture. Maintain proper soil moisture by using drip irrigation or mulching, as microorganisms thrive in moist environments. In conclusion, soil microorganisms are the invisible helpers that make everything possible beneath the surface of the soil. By fostering the right conditions for these microorganisms, you can improve soil health, increase crop yields, and reduce the need for chemical and inputs. Remember, healthy soil leads to healthy plants, and healthy plants lead to a prosperous harvest. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you tried organic farming techniques? Share your experience with us in the comments, and let's keep learning together.